Tired of juggling notes, tasks, and documents across endless apps? Notion is an all-in-one workspace designed to bring everything together, now with powerful AI. Its biggest strengths are its incredible flexibility and customization. You can build anything from simple to-do lists to complex project dashboards. The integrated Notion AI is fantastic for summarizing long documents, brainstorming ideas, improving your writing, and even answering questions using your own workspace content. But honestly, this power comes with a few caveats. Notion has a steep learning curve. It takes time to truly master its databases and build efficient workflows. While the core app has a generous free tier, Notion AI is a paid add-on, so prepare to subscribe for full AI capabilities. And critically, the mobile app, especially on Android, can be slow and buggy, which can be frustrating on the go. So, is Notion your ultimate workspace? If you're willing to invest the time to learn it and pay for the AI, it's an incredibly powerful tool for organization and productivity. Just be patient with the learning curve and the mobile app's performance. What are your thoughts?